So this video is about unboxing the S20 Ultra 5G Samsung. S20 Ultra 5G. So this is one of the latest mobile phone that comes from Samsung. Okay, so I already removed some of the plastic, this one and this one too. There you go. So that's it, ready to open. So let's see what's inside the box. And now so this is the most anticipated camera of this Ultra Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. So there's nothing in here. Okay, let's see what's inside. So it's nothing, it's just a filler. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, pretty much we have this quick guide. Okay. So we'll get into that later. Put it again here. Set this side. And there we go. So we have this 5 so we have this 4 camera, 1 2 3 4, and I think this is a sensor. So that's how it is. So the screen is goes from end to end until here on both ends. I used to have a Samsung 8 Plus, and we have a notch here, right near the top. But for this one, it looks like everything was used, nothing was wasted. All of the surface of this cell phone is turned into a screen. Nice, smooth, as usual. It's for Samsung quality. So unlike for the S8 Plus, wherein we have some button here, right here, and this S20 Ultra, there's no button at this left side, only here on the right side. So we have 2 buttons here. I assume this is for the volume, this one, and this one maybe should be for the power. And let's see on top, as usual, we have the micro USB card, and at the bottom is you have this Samsung standard C-type USB, micro USB, and probably these are the speaker vent. Yeah, pretty much it's pretty solid. And that's it. That's my simple unboxing of this Samsung Ultra G. This cell phone is compatible with 5G. Well, we still have the 4G here in Canada, so right now we don't have any use of this 5G, not unless you go to China. But anyway, that's about it. Thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned for another one of my interesting unboxing of gadgets.